Now give thanks and praise to the Most High God. His name is excellent in all the earth, and His mercies endure it forever. Yeah, man, for real. It's a real people thing channel. Real life stories. Listen up. Life is a journey and the struggle is real, but me nah give up. It's a real life story. It's a real people thing.
Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. It's a real people thing. What they go on here now? Check it out now. Today me have for you a breadfruit punch. Yes man, breadfruit punch. I'm going to show you the ingredients, yeah? First we have, this is a peg of the breadfruit. For those who don't really know breadfruit, this is like a peg of the breadfruit. So this is the outer section of the breadfruit that you call the skin, and this is the inside. You know, you have different variety of breadfruit, so some might be a bit different in shape and size and texture. So I have 1 large cup of cooked breadfruit. Yeah, so you peel off the outer layer, cut it up, cook it, put it in your blender. Yeah, and we have also peanut punch, hazelnut milk, mixspice, cinnamon, dragon stout to make you run all about, vanilla. You can add a little honey and some condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. You know, so that are the ingredients. Yeah. And you know, them have a saying that Jamaican people not really deal with measurement. I don't know why, no. Them say that, but them say we mix and we shake and we sprinkle until the spirit of our ancestors say, don't know me child. I don't know where they get that from, but that's what them say. But we're going to try and follow the ingredients to the T and give some measurements, you know, if I can. So come with me. First, I'm going to add the breadfruit in my blender. That should be enough. Yeah. Next, hazel milk. Go add about a cup. And that should be about a cup. Yeah. Next, peanut punch. This is about half a cup. The box is small enough, so now watch that. Next, go add some dragon. Dragon stout to make you run all about. This is about roughly, you can add to your taste, but I am adding like 1/4 of a cup. Right. Vanilla, about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Right. Yeah man. Get the ball rolling. Next comes my cinnamon. You can add about a tablespoon of cinnamon. Half a tablespoon of mixed spice. 1 tablespoon of honey. And just a dash of condensed milk, not much. You don't want it too sweet, eh? Just like that. Yeah man, we take time fix him up. Put on the lid. You know? Wipe off the excess water and stuff. And we're ready for blending. You know? You can blend it for, let's say, half a minute, 30 seconds. There you have it. Nice and smooth. Breadfruit punch. See? Nice and thick. Yeah, man. Cheers, man. Link me up, man, for the recipe if you want it, yeah? See you later. I'm out. Yeah, man, I couldn't end the video without showing you what me having for dinner. Pumpkin rice, brown stewed chicken with broad bean, and the breadfruit punch. Check it out. Yes, man, pumpkin rice, brown stewed chicken with broad bean.
Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. It's a real people thing.